I'm on the last day of a 3-day continuing legal education seminar that is sponsored by the State Bar. It is addressing, day one was Basic Employment Law 101. Day 2 and 3 is Advanced Employment Law. And lawyers from all over Texas who practice employment law congregate here once a year to attend this conference. And I can tell you the general trend is that from looking at the audience and what they pay most attention to, and I use head counts for this, is they're interested in state and federal case law updates, because no one lawyer can have a deep dive and deep knowledge of all the new development, all the case laws that's come down each year. So I think that's really important. Number 2 is they're also interested in arbitration and also negotiation. They're also interested in legal ethics, and that's what I presented on this morning. And this afternoon, we have presenters that will be talking about AI and the crossover with the legal field. And a bunch of my good friends are presenting this afternoon. And so one thing that comes to mind is as we talk to each other in between breaks and seeing familiar faces, is how small the Texas employment legal practice is. It's the same lawyers circulating between different firms. A firm may dissolve, break off, or maybe some lawyers will leave and take their experience and clientele and start their own firm. Or some lawyers may change sides. But you'll see the same lawyers over and over. And I ran into a old plaintiff's lawyer that's been practicing for longer than my 25 years. And he switched role. He's trying to work as a mediator. But it just tells you how small the legal field is. And the point I'm making is that no matter what our clients say or how much they hate each other or not get along, the lawyers do, especially in Texas. And the reason why is that it's such a small legal circle that we see each other over and over, and we trust each other, and we have to work with each other on a daily, weekly basis. And we're going to see each other again. So anyone that is dishonest or does not practice white hat law, they eliminate themselves automatically. They just don't practice law that much. And so there's very few lawyers that we don't get along with. And so it makes me pretty happy to see all these familiar faces at least once a year. And also we're seeing them on a social basis, because we're not in court or talking to each other about a case on the phone or in Zoom. We actually get a chance to get together and socialize, have dinner with each other if we want to, or at least have a cup of coffee or socialize with each other. So that's why the State Bar builds in at least one happy hour. So we use alcohol to lubricate the social interaction, and it's pretty nice to see a bunch of people talk to each other. I ran into opposing counsel in a current case for the first time at one of our socials that we had, and it kind of takes the edges off a little bit when you know opposing counsel on a social level. Okay, back to work.